Hi guys, my name is Riz. I'll be sharing with you some videos of accident. I'm a private investigator in Maryland, Virginia, and DC. So let's hop on together and see some footage and see whose fault it is and put it down in the comments what you think and which one is the best video. So let's go react. All right, so you saw here that this GMC guy crossed over to the left lane, came back to the right, and knocked onto this car. So we probably think that it's GMC's fault in this one. But what do you think?
What the fuck? What the was that? What?
Another thing was he was just recording and was not like he was in beef. It seemed like he was not cooperative and he was just recording. In these cases, you might want to just pull over to the side and get off the road in these cases. Now we know that the black car was trying to turn left and then the lady was coming. We don't know if she had a stop sign. We do see that there's a stop sign on this side. So we just don't know that if it was her stop or this guy's stop. But as far as I can think is he was already past the road. So we might want to keep that in mind too. But let's see what happens. So you see we have a red light here. So definitely that guy who went so fast and this guy was coming from this side, he had a green light. So the dash camera footage the car has, he's probably have a green light, and then the other guy was running a red light.
You know, this ain't the first time this is a sick day.
So this is just distracted driving in insurance field or investigative field. This is just distracted driving.
I live, and a girl like me.
It's probably best if I stay back. Honey, you should totally go on the boat. I don't really think I should go. I don't want to leave you here alone. I'll just drive back to the hotel with you. So what? Neither of you guys are going to get on the boat either? No, I'm really sorry. We're not prepared, like we said. Well, if you guys don't mind moving out of the way, I see some more people coming up, and I want to tell them the exciting news.
Again, guys, this is distracted driving. You shouldn't be looking anywhere else but the road. And look at her, like she was shocked, like somebody else hit it her. So we don't want to be in that position.
Okay.
So this could have gone both ways because this guy could have give him the road, like braked a bit, so in that case he could have passed over. And the second was that truck guy could have stopped and let this guy go because he's already in the line. So it could be both's fault.
Pull the over. It's on video. It's on video, brother. Dude, I'm in my lane. You came into my lane. It's on video. It's on video, brother. It's on video, brother. It's on video. Call the police. Dude, oh yeah, I do, because you have my car. Yeah, you did.
Dude, nothing even happened.
License, registration, and insurance, and Metro. Dude. Yeah, it
You
did.
ran into
Dude,
me.
you came into my lane, brother.
Cases like these, video a lot matters a lot, because if you have a video and you can show it like what's happening, nobody can lie. You can just watch a video and then go about it. So you saw that was definitely the truck's fault because he turned left and then he didn't care. He even braked, gave him a brake light, and then just stopped. So you're not supposed to stop on the road as long as it's flowing traffic. Either move to the right or keep on moving.
Horsepower, not the 250. Dumbass!
As we saw, that lane was closing in and then he was just merging in. So you want to make sure that there are cars you already in those lanes. And from my experience, they tend to give you a hard time, whoever trying to merge in, because they were already waiting for a while and then somebody just pulls up and trying to get in. Most of the time accident happens because of that. So definitely the car who's ahead of him, it's his fault.
What the? What? What the? Good job, buddy. Good job, man. Good job.
A chance, bro. There was. Why wouldn't you give me?
I need your insurance, brother. Come on, let's call the cops.
So we saw he pulled up from the shoulder. You're not never supposed to cross the yellow line, and he pulled up from the shoulder and then he knocked him and he sided him. So that's why you always want to make sure never go over the shoulder. If in case if it's emergency, then you are allowed to pull over and stop, but you can't be driving in the yellow shoulder line.
Hi, I just been hit on the freeway and the car is driving away. Okay.
Also, you don't want to take this much time to stop because it can count against you that you did not stop, you hit it. So it's like 2 3 counts on yourself instead of just stopping and sharing insurance information. But some people, they don't stop.
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop taking video of me.
No,
I'm asking you to pull in this now.
good. You keep
You can
asking.
take photos of the car, but not with me in it.
You can ask whatever you want. I will not delete your phone.
You see, she has a pad in her hand, so that is very very dangerous. Like you cannot be speeding with a pad or a kid inside the car, but you know that's why we have these dash cam footages for you, so at least you see and secure how, in any case, if it happens to you, what to do.
I don't give a shit. You're on public property. I can do whatever I want.
So you saw the last one. It could be both's fault because this car was dragging on and he could have stopped and saw the other car that was turning. Or you always have a right of way when you are going straight. So the left turn making car or the straight going car, they could be on fault because they have to yield for the people or the cars who have right of way, which means going straight. So it could be both, but more likely the one turning left.
The f is your problem? Push that out for me.
So you saw the car was turning left, and from all the way right to all the way left, it's always hard. And then people are just pissed. They don't give the right of way to people turning left or right. So it's a fact, but it's definitely the guy's fault. He should have been patient. And as far as the dashcam driver, he, he could have given him the way in order to avoid accident. You always wanna save yourself first, then save anybody else. So if you're on the road, you always want to make sure, because you are a safe driver, you're not letting your car get into an accident. So always be watchful for left, right, straight, anywhere, and save your car. Sorry. So we saw that we have a green light here, and this guy was just breaking the signal. So not good.
You're making money's great. I got no interest in talking to people that I know are two-faced, two-fake. Get out of my face.
It was a kind of blunt accident, you can say. The car almost rolled over. So, when you saw it here, you see the cars are not that fast. So, dashcam guy could have slowed down, not that fast, but this car should let these every car go. Then maybe. You can't be just coming halfway up the road and then causing an accident.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
So this guy was going straight. This guy was moving to the left. Straight has the right of way. Left turn must yield on the traffic. So definitely the truck's fault.
Shit. Call 911.
Again, green light, red light issue. You saw? As soon as you merge, make a right turn, you always wanna hold on for the traffic that's going straight. That's why there are signs yield on right, right turn must yield. These kinds of signs are listed, and it's just have to be in your mind that if I'm making a right, there must be cars coming by. So this lady or a man, he just moved in like it's his right, make a right turn and then come back without looking at any cars. So we don't want to do that.
Bro!
Unnecessary brakes, because as it's listed, speed limit is 45. So you can't just stop because there are cars going there. That was most likely right of way issue. One is turning, merging into another lane, and one is not giving way. So this is like a three-car accident. It could be like both of them fall. He shouldn't be changing multiple lines at one time. The other guy, he's just driving aggressively and also got into the truck. So crazy. You see, he has a green light. I don't know why people do that. Break the green light, get into accident, then your insurances are high right after accident.
Damn! Damn, you dumb son of a...
Okay, guys, I'll be doing some reaction on last three videos, and then you tell me what reaction video I do next. So this also got side swapped a little bit, but I think it's more fault of the red guy. He have a long time. He can stop or you know give him the way of turning, moving over the lanes, but you have to be patient on the road. You can't be just getting up to the people's or like getting up to the trunk of the car almost and then side swapping it.
You should care. You should care about the submissions you get, and you should care about being able to resist submission as well, because it's kind of your response. And this was me and him and the guys that.
So here also he could have stopped before or that guy could have waited for him to pass. But I think it's the dash cam guy who could have stopped. But in rains, sometimes it's hard to stop. But you gotta save yourself from the accident. It's either one that way or no way. If you are my thought, like I drive, is I have to save myself. So there could be like 100 drivers on the road waiting, coming into lanes, going away. But it's my job to save my car, so I just be more proactive in driving.
Talking about what I was rolling with. He said it's your job to give them an accurate
What
look.
the fuck?
So it's definitely the car on the right who was driving right here. It's his fault because he's just coming out of nowhere and swapping the car. So let's go back. So guys, this was my first video of reacting to different kind of accidents. I am a private investigator in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. If you have any questions, let me know or subscribe to my channel so I can get on with the part 2. If you like the video, please say thumbs up. Thank you so much.